I call this drink the best of both worlds. Wanna know why? Watch till the end. In this video, I'm going to share with you my recipe of iced mocha. I call this drink the best of both worlds. Why? Because my two favorites in one drink, the chocolate and the coffee. So let's get started. Of course, let's start with our main ingredient, the coffee. You'll be needing 1 to 2 tablespoons of coffee depending on your preference. So again guys, we're using Chemex. It's a pour over method. So dapat coarse grind coffee ang kailangan natin gamitin. And now let's start pouring, starting in the middle. Reminder again mga kakape, pour over method takes time. So wag kang mainip, sasabutin ka rin niya. Hintay-hintay lang, char. Once na extracted na ang ating coffee, let's prepare our cup. This is my favorite part, preparing the cup. So, start na tayo. Lagyan natin ng chocolate syrup yung gilid ng cup na gagamitin natin. Mas madaming chocolate, mas masaya. Siyempre, hinay-hinay din sa may mga diabetes. So guys, design lang pala yun sa cup. I added more chocolate syrup. Usually for this recipe, it's 3 pumps of chocolate syrup. Again, if you want it sweeter, then add more pumps of chocolate. Or if you want it less sweeter, less pump of chocolate. Then, 2 pumps of vanilla syrup. Ito na guys, excited na ako. Let's pour the coffee in the cup. And guys, once na na-pour na natin yung coffee natin sa cup, make sure to mix it or stir it para well-blended ang flavors natin like the chocolate syrup, vanilla syrup, and of course, the coffee. And after stirring it, it's time to put some ice. For some, okay na yung ice na to, but for me, I like it more ice and less milk. And now, it's time to pour the milk. Sorry guys, nakaharang pala yung Chemex. Hindi tuloy masyadong makita yung ginagawa ko. But anyway, masarap pa rin yan. So dahil maarte ako, lagyan natin ng konting art yung ice mocha natin. At dahil wala tayong steam wand, magma-manual froth ako. Wish me luck! In a frothing pitcher, let's pour some milk. Just enough milk to foam. Guys, keep an eye, baka masunog ang milk natin. We just need the right temperature. Though, I don't have a thermometer, sorry. So, gagamitan ko na lang to ng magic. Tansya-tansya, hawak-hawak. Okay na. Let's swirl our milk para hindi siya masunog at dumikit. Ayan, mukhang ready na yung milk natin. Tignan nyo, umuusok na oh. So, let's remove it from the fire. At ngayon, gamit na tayo ng magic. Char. So, ito ang ating frother. Ngayon, i-froth na natin. Siguro mga 20 seconds lang, okay na. Pero dahil nakaka-enjoy gamitin to, gawin na natin 1 minute or 5 minutes. Joke. Kapag nag-foam na yung milk natin, okay na yon. Pang-design lang naman hindi pang latte art. So, we don't need microfoam. Ayan, i-pour na natin sa ice mocha natin. Looks so yummy. And now, let's just put some chocolate syrup on top. Para lang may design, arte-arte lang. O diba, parang ang sarap-sarap niya. I mean, ang sarap ng ice mocha. Tada! Now we have our ice mocha with extra chocolate syrup on top. Oh, you want to have the best of both worlds? Try this out na! For sure, magugustuhan to ng buong family nyo. Pwede mo rin gawan yung ex mo nito nang malaman niya kung ano yung nawala sa kanya, char. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!